Hi, I'm Deb with SBSOS. Welcome to our amazing estate sale happening right now at 4953 Foothill Road. Let's see what we've got. Lots of wonderful things. Silver, 1930s vintage dolls, collectibles, tools, purses, hats, an amazing workshop, and all kinds of crafting. No need to go to Michael's because we've got everything you need here. Teachers, arts and crafts supplies, stock up your classrooms. And let's go in the house. We have a full house. Let's go see Kelsey, what she's got in the house. We have a washer and dryer, LG Trom.
Hey Deb, come on guys, let's come have a look. Got some terrific vintage luggage. And Tyler, come and show me what's in this room. We've got some really fun vintage chairs. This beautiful rocker, some teddy bears. All still available. Wonderful desk. Let's have a look at some amazing vintage material here. We've got a featherweight Minnesota A sewing machine, an incredible music box that works. We have a phonograph with the original records still available. We have an incredible card table still available. Beautiful furniture, lovely coffee and side tables, some Navajo pots. Incredible turn of the century grandfather clock. Beautiful. Coming here to the kitchen. Again, we have a wonderful selection of vintage kitchenware and pots. We've got these wonderful ceramic pots down here. We've got the world's biggest collection of gnomes. You will find a gnome here. If you want a gnome, we have a gnome. Some beautiful cargo trunks, and a truly beautifully kept kitchen cabinet. So come down and see us. We are open tomorrow, Friday, from 8 till 4. Saturday, we're closed. Sunday, prices will be slashed 8 to 4. Hope to see you soon at the address
4953 Foothills Road here in Carpinteria.
4953 Foothill Road, Carpinteria. See you there.
See you there.